Understanding the phrase, taunt. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases and expressions. In particular, we're focusing on the word, taunt. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. Taunt is both a noun and a verb in the English language. As a noun, a taunt refers to a remark made in order to anger, wound, or provoke someone. As a verb, to taunt someone means to provoke or tease them with insulting remarks. Imagine someone making fun of another person's inability to complete a task. That's taunting. Examples: his friends often taunt him for being too slow in races. She didn't like the taunt about her dress. The word, taunt, originates from the Middle French word, tanter, which means to tempt, or to try. Over time, its meaning shifted to refer to teasing or mocking someone, which is how we understand and use the word today. There are several words in English that carry a similar meaning to taunt. Some of these include mock, jeer, ridicule, tease. Using synonyms can make your language richer and prevent repetition. For example, instead of saying, "He taunted me," you could say, "He mocked me." To truly grasp the meaning and usage of taunt, let's see it in action. 1. She threw a taunt at him, knowing it would make him angry. 2. It's not nice to taunt someone about their fears. 3. The audience taunted the losing team with boos and hisses. 4. He often uses humor to taunt his opponents. There you have it. The word, taunt, might seem simple at first, but it carries a lot of depth and emotion. Next time you come across this word in a book, movie, or conversation, you'll know exactly what it means and how to respond to it. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding each word in depth can only make your communication better. Hope you found this explainer helpful. Happy learning!